Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live stream on your Wix website. Whether you're hosting a special event, sharing a presentation, or broadcasting a live tutorial, embedding a live stream can add dynamic and engaging content to your site. By the end of this guide, you'll have the tools to seamlessly integrate live video directly onto your web page. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix website editor. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page where you'd like your live stream to appear. It's important to choose a page that aligns with the content you are streaming, which will make it more intuitive for your audience to find it. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see an Add button, which is represented by an icon. Click on that, and a sidebar of options will appear. Within this menu, you want to select Video, and from there, choose Embed Video. This is where you can paste the embed code for your live stream. Next, you'll need to obtain the embed code from the platform where your live stream is hosted, such as YouTube Live, Vimeo, or another live streaming service. If you're not sure how to get your embed code, most platforms will have a share or embed option right next to your live video. Simply click on this, and it will generate the code you need. Once you have your embed code, return to your Wix editor. In the Embed Video section, there's a field where you can paste your code. Make sure you accurately copy and paste the entire code to avoid any hiccups when it comes to displaying the video. After pasting, take a moment to preview it within Wix to ensure it's appearing as you expect. Now, you may want to adjust the size of your embedded video to fit seamlessly with your site's design. Click on the embedded video, and you'll see drag handles appear around it. Drag these handles to resize the video frame to your preference. Keep in mind the aspect ratio of your video to avoid any squishing or stretching that might distort your content. Additionally, you can position your live stream window by dragging it to the desired location on your page. Align it perhaps with text elements or other media to enhance the flow and layout of your website. Consistency and visual appeal play a crucial role in holding your visitors' attention. Finally, don't forget to click on the Preview button at the top of your Wix editor to ensure that everything looks perfect and functions correctly. This is your opportunity to double-check that the live stream appears and plays as expected without any technical issues. When you're satisfied with how everything looks in the preview, go ahead and hit the Publish button to make your site changes live. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a live stream onto your Wix website. This will allow your audience to engage with your live content directly on your site, keeping their experience seamless and interactive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for integrating live streams into your Wix site. Don't hesitate to explore other features Wix offers to further enhance your website's functionality.